And here also, we don't need suppression and we don't need grouping. So most of the alarms doesn't need grouping and suppression. One is startup. So we'll focus there. So I will copy and paste here and we'll put here. Team has corrected the severity to level A for this matrix. Matrix of high pressure in the excavator leading to trip the system, and he will take action appropriately to restart the system.
Chairman,
Yeah.
this law, for example, when we are during startup, right? You don't have pressure in the system. Do you need to override that alarm?
No. That is for another alarm.
No,
This is
I'm
not
talking
applicable
about
for PSA.
I'm talking about L.
Okay, you need low pressure to restart.
Yes. No, I'm just asking the team also. So when during startup, we don't have pressure, for example, in this separator, right? Because we're doing pressurization first, especially during black start.
Yes.
So
Yeah, okay.
do we need to suppress this alarm during that time or override at least, right? You get my point, Chairman, right? During startup, we are starting to pressurize the system. So it will start with zero pressure.
So what is harm? Because we see normally.
No, there's
when
no
we-
harm. I'm just asking whether because you're putting now suppression and
Because now to be it only to startup override.
yes, so no
Yes.
suppression. It's just startup override.
Yes.
Yeah.
Only
Okay.
startup override.
Okay.
No.
But during
no.
normal operation, it needs.
No,
because
Mr. Khalid,
I have some
startup-
trouble still separate.
Go.
Startup
You're
override
saying?
will only be applicable for the shutdown trip, not for the
Yeah.
alarm.
Yes.
Yes,
Not
but for the
alarm.
alarm, yes, Mr. Chairman. That's why in the beginning we have informed that for some general service like dairy startup or dairy pump not running, just some
Yeah.
suppression required for these alarms.
Yes.
Yes.
For general, we will put in the MADB as we discussed, because general means P4 and P3 by default. So we will put in MADB, and whatever the instructions are there. Say for example, during startup you are overriding something, you are suppressing something. So we will keep the information in the MADB. So for this case, for